Hi tubers, this is Zero M's and this is my daughter's songbook, yeah. So if you remember in one of my previous videos, yeah, I fixed it, but there's again some problem with it. It doesn't play at all, yeah. Okay, at first I have to check batteries. Yes. Okay, the first one is flat. The second one, yes, is also flat. And the third one as well, yeah. I've got Warta V389 in it. So let's look at inside, because I'm curious why those batteries are flat again, yeah. So my suspicious is there's some current leakage and I want to test it in this video. Okay, let's remove all screws. Okay. And let's open it. Yes. Nothing has changed since last time. I have to also remove screws from the board where all components are placed. Yes, and that's it. You can see chip on board. My daughter also wants to check it. Yeah. Yeah. It's broken. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's move on. Yeah. So now I'm going to remove batteries holder. And here it is, yeah. There's not much inside. And now I'm going to measure current leakage, yeah. Here you can see the board in detail, yeah. And on the left side there is a small capacitor, yeah. And it's in parallel with the battery and it's there for preventing voltage spikes. But indeed it doesn't prevent, yeah, discharging batteries. So let's check it. Sad thing has happened. I managed to burn this chip on board. So if you want to know how to burn chip on board, just swap polarity, yeah. So I connected negative to positive and positive to negative and felt immediately that smell. But never mind, my creativity doesn't have borders. So here is another music chip. I've got this from my daughter's dolly. Yeah, I performed surgery on it. Yeah, and so I'm going to use this one for playing sounds. The only problem is that this new chip just play one sound, yeah, and the original plays or played actually 4 sounds. So I'm going to connect the new board on this old one and connect those 4 pads together, because there's going to be only one sound. And then I'm going to connect here and here, yeah, to trigger playing a sound. it looks like this. Yeah. And now I'm going to remove the speaker from the board, and I'm also going to remove this board from this case. I've glued both boards together, and now I have to connect them each other. Alright, the boards are connected to each other, and now I'm going to connect the speaker to the board. It looks also alright, and now I'm going to connect the board to the battery holder. Now I'm going to put all together and finish this project. Okay, it looks all right, and now listen. What do you say about it? My wife absolutely hates that, yeah. Now I'm going to very quickly put it back on the book. Yes. And that's it, guys, for today. I've enjoyed this project a lot. Yeah. I hope that I'll never be fixing this book again. So, thank you for watching and see you next time.